Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Tara guys, mag-walking tayo para sa ating health. I-care natin ang health natin, lalo na sa tulad ko may sugar. Kung may daily exercise po tayo, ay hindi na natin kailangan ng medicine. Mag-walking tayo pero hindi everyday kami makawalk dahil nagtatrabaho lang sa bahay. So walking tayo. Yan, may kasama tayong nag-walking dito. Lapit lang sa gilid ng road. 1 kilometer itong walking ano na to. So papunta at pabalik ay 2 kilometro ang ating lalakarin ngayon. Tara guys, walking. Nakita akong doggy doon na yung laging tumatahol na naman yata sa atin yun. Sige, pinagbut nga kiti nga aso. Doon po kami galing. Maganda po sa health pag mag-walking everyday. The doctor say much better kung may everyday na exercise. So no need na ang gamot. Pero wala tayong everyday exercise eh. Hello Doggy! How are you? Cute niya guys. Hi! Walking tayo kung may time, pero kung walang time, doon lang sa bahay. Walang exercise, trabaho. Ang exercise natin sa bahay. Lapit na kami sa finish line. May mga ibon lumilipad-lipad. May mga huni ng ibon. 400 meters. Yun kasama ko. Yan mga bird. Ibon, lipat-lipat. Sarap sa pakiramdam guys kasi hindi masyadong mainit ngayon dito. Magandang malapit na kami sa finish line guys. Sunset. Sans. Finish line. 1 km. This is the end of 1 km. So pabalik na po kami. And go back home. Go back home na.
To the city for a checkup, but the road was slippery and they got hit by a car. What did you say? Dad? Mom? Chantu and his wife just left, abandoning their 4 kids. What will they do now? Yeah. Mom, Dad, wake up. Mom, Dad, wake up. Dachuan, my condolences. Don't cry.
We feed our own kids, and you bring back 4 more mouths to feed. 4. How are we supposed to make ends meet?
2 or 6, we still have to raise them. Just cut back on food, that's all.
Yun, may usok ng dinaanan ng eroplano. Na malabo na. Malabo na. At pauwi na kami. Diyan mga may kabayan din na nag-walking. Hello. Yun sila mga kabayan. Pauwi na kami. Finish na yung walking namin. At nakakuha pa kami ng gulay-gulay. And guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. Thank you. Thank you for watching.